Here's another update on the Rusted Root Farms Aquaponics operation. This is Marble, and what we've done is we've started the plumbing and the electrical underground utilities, getting those in place for the greenhouse up there. So we've got a 1-inch poly pipe that's been put in the ground and is going to be supplied water by a large 1,600 gallon rainwater tank that's going to be right off of the roof line of that large building over there, and we'll be pumping the water almost 200 feet up here to the greenhouse. So the greenhouse is not going to use any well water, even though it'll have that option. This happens to be a well right here, my little well house that's sitting here pretty close on the way. So I'm going to tee in to the well house just in case we don't have any rain for a long period of time or something like that happens. Then I can always get my water from the well if I absolutely had to. So all the trenches are done. The pipe and electrical has been laid down in there. Of course, we'll have pumps and ventilation and stuff up in the greenhouse itself, so it needs electrical. So all that's been laid into place. Walk up here, got the sump tank in the ground. Gonna start putting dirt around it to make sure that it is firm and in place. So there's sump tank, greenhouse, and there's where the electrical and the water pops up. So we're getting there. We got our utilities in place now, and then we'll start getting the tables in place, the DWCs and tanks, and everything shall follow after that.